Hi there, this is Mark Sebastian, founder of OptionPit.com with the AM Volatility Report. Reminder, this is for educational purposes only. None of this should be considered investment advice. Options have risk. Consult your financial professional. All right, let's talk about the market. Quite the day here. We got the market down about 2, nothing crazy, but the VIX is off again and continues to go a little lower. VIX futures are kind of stagnant. They're just kind of bouncing around. Right now we're not setting up for a huge move. And one thing I want to point out is OVX. Take a look at this. It is closed yesterday at a 1-year low, and we're still sitting right there. And actually, if I pull up a 2-year chart, I mean, approaching some of the 2-year lows from when vol was actually real low. And USO was, if you pull up and look at USO where it was back in here, it's a totally different story, right? So volatility in this ETF looks like it's really tanking. And so the question is this on its way up? Are we making a move back? Or are we just in another little slow period? Well, to me, it looks like we're lined up for like a 1, 2, or 3 day sell-off, just based on what happened and how hard it's moved. But volatility may necessarily drop. I think there's a real chance that you could see vol really come out of things in USO, and it might be running back toward 12 or 13 bucks, which means oil might be heading back toward 55 or 60. So there appears to be some upside in oil, and at least the way technically it looks like markets think oil is going higher, not lower. Then when I look around at the vol ETNs, you can see they're flat, so vol futures aren't doing much. The Dow's not doing much. Looks like we're going to just kind of be, just kind of line it up to be a boring day. I believe we have Philly Fed. If that's not out, I think that's coming out in a little bit. That could move things around, but things appear to be pretty unexciting as a whole, and there's not a lot happening. If you look at the FANG stocks, you've got Facebook still sitting right at 130. Google after having a nice run off a touch day, so it looks like just a little bit of breather day. We did have a really ugly close yesterday, and that's kind of the one concerning thing if you're a trader and you're bullish. Let's look at a 2-day chart. Look at what happened at the end of the day. It was like, oh yeah, we're up. Ugliness. And so, that would be the one thing, and then you can see we're off a little bit more today, but we seem to be kind of creeping back to where we came. So really from yesterday's highs, we're off like 10. That's kind of the one thing I'm watching. Now, where does the strength come from? Look at the financials. You got Goldman up. JP Morgan continues to do well and climb higher. We do have a JP Morgan position on in the strategy letter that's performing nicely, along with a couple that are going to be kind of setting up to be in great shape here. But yeah, so the financials are really leading things. Technology seems to be kind of taking a breather, but the market strength comes from financials. When financials lead, that tends to be a bullish sign for the market. And so, looks like we may churn here, maybe creep a little higher. The question is, can we break back above that 21.5 level that's been such a stopper in the market? I think today, time will tell, and today will tell. All right, folks, you got questions, you can email me, mark@optionpit.com, or you can call me 888-TRADE-01. Have a great day.